Hi class, today we learned how to add and subtract two-digit numbers together. So these are our online tutorials, so if you need help or a refresher at home, you can log on to our class website and watch me do it again. Class, our first problem that we're going to add together is 46 plus 33. When you add two-digit numbers together, you're going to want to expand the numbers. So 46 means that we have 40, because we have 4 tens plus 6 ones. And then for 33, we have 3 tens, so that is 30, plus 3 ones. Now, once we have it broken down and expanded, we can do 40 plus 30, which gives us 70. And then we add 6 plus 3, which is 9. Now we have a simple addition problem. We have a two-digit number plus a one-digit number, which you all know how to do. So it's 70 plus 9 gives us our final answer of 79. The second addition problem we're going to do is 75 plus 29. Just like we did before, we're going to break these and expand them. So 75, we have 7 tens, which is 70, plus 5 ones. Our second number is 29. We have 2 tens, so 20, and 9 ones, plus 9. The first step that we're going to do is add 70 plus 20. So 70 plus 20, and we know that that equals 90. Now we're going to do 5 plus 9, which equals 14. If you notice, we still have two-digit numbers. So we're going to repeat the process. So we can write 90 if we go over here as 90 plus 0 and 10 plus 4. 90 plus 10, we come back over here, so we keep all our work. 90 plus 10 is 100. And 0 plus 4 equals 4. Now, we can stay in our column. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 and 0 is 0. So our answer is 104. Now, since we just did two addition problems, we're going to move on to subtraction. The first problem that we have is 46 minus 33. In subtraction, you always want to start on the right side, even though we just started on the left side for addition. So the first thing that we're going to do is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. And now we can move on to 40 minus 30 is 10. We can write the 1 right there. And then if we want to check our work, we can do 33 plus 13. You know that this can be broken into 30 plus 3 and 10 plus 3. 30 plus 10 equals 40, and 3 plus 3 equals 6. Add that up, we get 46, and if this answer matches up here, we know that we did our subtraction. The last subtraction problem that we're going to do is 75 minus 29. Just like before, we're going to start on the right side. We have 5 minus 9, and we know that the bigger number has to be on top. Since that's not the case, we're going to have to do some regrouping. We're going to go over to our 70 and borrow 10. So this is going to become a 6. And we're going to add those 10 over to this 5. So the 5 plus 10 equals 15. Now we can subtract. So 15 minus 9 equals 6. And now 60 minus 20 equals 40. So our answer is 46. Now, if we want to check our work, we can do 46 plus 29. We will break our numbers apart. 40 plus 6 and 20 plus 9. 40 plus 20 equals 60. And 6 plus 9 equals 15. Can break that apart again. into 60 plus 0 and 10 plus 5. So if we have 60 plus 10, put that up here, that's going to be 70, and 0 plus 5 equals 5, and our answer is 75. And it matches. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask me tomorrow in class.